So there's this new segment which I've added recently, which like it goes by the name One Thing to Change. So what I'll do is like I'll give you names of 3 creators. All
Right.
right, and one by one you can just say one thing which you want to change about them. Probably their personality, their content, anything which you feel.
Okay.
Cool. So
Tier list part 2.
फर्स्ट वन भाई, फर्स्ट वन एकदम पर्सनल और दिल के पास, को होस्ट राव.
Stop being so. He's a scared little bitch, but no, I love him for that. But like, man, he evaluates too much, and I feel like he should just sometimes just dive head first, and take a leap of faith. But it's gonna be a while till he is able to do it. I understand why he's not able to do it, but like I want him to go all in on our podcast, right? I truly want, but I understand why he cannot, and I understand why, like, why there is that bit of like I need to focus on this and that, and we are trying to change that. Like like as soon as I get my vaccine, I'm gonna try and go over there and have a live session of podcast where we'll try and do podcast IRL, where I'll be with him for a while, and if that works out, maybe we can. But till then, that's nothing else. I want to change him. He's a great dude. Just work more, post more videos, please. मेरे तेरे second channel पे video post कर साले. But yeah.
By scared or something, do you mean that he overthinks a lot? Because that's an issue which personally I and I guess a lot of people do deal with.
सबके साथ है. हाँ, वो तो overthinking का तो यही है ना. The best way to take over it is just do it. इतना मत सोच. जैसे तेरे को लग रहा है कि तू overthink कर रहा है, तो काम करने लग जा. That's what I do. I used to I've been trying to make a video on this, something called I've been trying to make a video explaining quote unquote love, right? And it's been like 10-15 days since I've started that video, and I've recorded it, I've re-recorded it, I've written it, I've rewritten it, and अरे ये अच्छा नहीं होता, ये अच्छा, ये स्टोरी बताना चाहिए, कैसे एक्सपीरियंस, कैसे फीलिंग, ब्ला 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 ब्ला, क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहा हूँ लोगों से, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. आई वांट टू डू इट, आई डोंट नो हाउ आई विल डू इट. कल की बात है, अभी कल सुबह रात के 2 बजे उठा हूँ मैं. 2 बजे उठते ही वॉक पे निकल गया. वॉक पे निकला हूँ, आराम से मैं जो मास्क निकाला हूँ, क्योंकि रात के 2 बजे फॉर कोई था नहीं, राइट. थोड़ा बाहर यहाँ पे मास्क निकाला हूँ, थोड़ा
वहाँ पे लॉकडाउन नहीं है.
लॉकडाउन है, पर ऐसा लॉकडाउन नहीं है, ठीक है.
तो भाई आज से बंगाल में तो भाई मैं अगर वेस्ट बंगाल में रह के बंगाल करूँगा ना, यहाँ पे मेरे बंगाली दोस्त मेरे को ही मारेंगे. बट हाँ या भाई, यहाँ तो लॉकडाउन कर दिया अभी मंडे से, और कल. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली भाई इतना सब कुछ कर देता ना ये लोग साथ में. आई एम इन माई रूम फर्स्टली, एकदम अभी इतना अलग ही रह रहा हूँ मैं घर पे, एक ही रूम में. सेकेंडली लॉकडाउन कर दिया है. थर्डली कल मेरा रिजल्ट्स है, कल से ही लॉकडाउन है और कल ही रिजल्ट्स है. आई एम लाइक डूड, दैट्स सो मच शिट टू हैंडल. लाइक ओके.
Wait,
So yeah.
what kind of result, like, so you'll have to go there and
No, ऑनलाइन रिजल्ट्स.
अच्छा ओके या.
हाँ.
सो या वेयर वाज आई. हाँ, तो मैं ऐसे ही मेरे गेट के बाहर निकला, रोड पे सांस की थोड़ी हल्की सी वॉक की. आई केम एंड आई स्टार्टेड, आई वाज लाइक आई एम जस्ट गोना सिट एंड आई एम गोना राइट. I'm going to let go of all the restrictions that I have. This is good, that is bad, and I'm just going to write. You need to make things instinctual to make it a good, right? You want it. When you see Casey Neistat do his things, the reason he's able to do what he does is because it's instinctual to him. Placing the camera and coming back, going back. Like, he does not think like this is a good shot and now I'm going to go. He does this, goes, cut. 3 सेकंड में हो गया उसका शॉट कंप्लीट. You know what I mean? So it has become instinctual. So if you truly want to be able to create videos like Casey and everybody, the best thing is to, one, don't do it, to make whatever you want to do instinctual. And when you focus on making stuff instinctual, right, then तुम्हारा अंदर का बेस्ट पार्ट बाहर आने लगेगा.
The second creator is Vedant Rasti.
I want him to show a lot more personality. I don't like, he has been doing it a lot more, but like I remember talking to him in the very first podcast that we did, and I told him ki like I want to see a lot more of like I don't know what I want from him, but I want more from him than just this analysis, which he has been moving away from recently. We talked about it in the DMs, But overall, I think he's so smart. I think he should talk a lot about more about finance. He does not talk about finance a lot more. Like he on the reel he does, but like personal finance. He's just smart dude. He has made good money and he's been able to invest that money very well. He has been able to save up good money and everything. Like with money, he has been very smart. At least in the space that I like 100K 200K space में उसने काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से अपने पैसे को मैनेज किया which I would have loved to see the journey of. You know, like from the start to what, like आज मेरे पास इतने पैसे आए हैं, what I'm going to think of doing ऐसे ऐसे करूँ, instead of telling us how to do it, you do and I can learn
You
from
do
it.
it.
You know what I mean? So I want people, I want people, like I talked about this on my Twitter, like I want more and more YouTubers to just document their journey of whatever they're doing. May it be money, may it be just filming videos, getting better at whatever they do. It's a great, it's a good way to, you know, build क्या कहते हैं, connection with the audience and help people out. But yeah.
And the third one is Dank Rishu.
I want him to show a lot more of his personality as well. He's very focused on the content he creates, and for him, it's like it holds the most priority. You know, the jokes need to be funny and this and that. But
But he does that on his live streams, I guess.
Yeah,
Oh,
he does that. Yeah. But it's live. वही मैं चाहता हूँ ना कि he does it on a more public
More
space.
often, boss. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
like proper videos में करे, you know, because that kid he's just charming person. There is so much more to him than just being this funny wow character that he is online. He's a beautiful person, man. He's so smart, so funny, so genuine and so innocent. And he's like my little. I like, even though we are almost the same age, he's like my little brother. Like बोलता रहता हूँ, and he says like literally हम लोग same उम्र के हैं. I wish he does a lot more to it. He's a very cool dude, and I want him to show a lot more of what's going on in his life on camera. But for a lot of people, it's something very personal, and I understand why people don't. But like, you know, but that's just my perspective. That's just my lens.
True.